Hi, my name's Mike, and this is my story. Today's surgery day. I'm having my hernia repaired through open surgery. I had laparoscopic surgery 2 years ago with a hernia on my left side, and now on my right side, because I've already had a hernia repaired laparoscopically, my surgeon told me, unfortunately, it cannot be repaired laparoscopically the second time, and he needs to be open. So I'm going to have a little bit more scarring. But besides that, I pretty much know what I'm getting myself into. Surgery's in a couple hours. Let you guys come along for the ride. Not to get too graphic, but this was where the surgery was repaired, right above my groin, right below my stomach. The mesh was right here, and this looks normal. And right here, as you can see, above my groin, below my stomach, there's a big bulge. This is the hernia. Now being prepped. Have an IV. Took my blood pressure. They just shaved the area where they're going to do surgery. And I've been told I'm next. See you on the other side. I'm out of the hospital. It was just a day surgery. I'm back home at my condo. And as you can see, I'm all bandaged up. The doctor prepared me for 45 minutes. It ended up being 35 minutes surgery. No problems. I went from like a 1 or a 2 pain with the hernia, maybe a 3 on a bad day, all the way to a 3 today for the open surgery. Not too bad. They did have me on some ibuprofen, some medication combination through the IV and through the anesthesia, and that's since worn off. I've now dipped into my CVS prescription of oxycodone. Just took one of those. You can take it every 4 hours. I want to take them as least amount as possible, and maybe take some just over-the-counter ibuprofen instead. And hopefully I'll have a nice night. A couple of side effects that come with this are definitely constipation, and you don't want to wear a belt or anything restrictive around your waist. But yeah, that was today. I'll keep you guys informed next week, see how my progress goes throughout the week. So please, if you'd like to know more about my story, like and subscribe.